Hello and welcome to Home Decor Haul, a dedicated YouTube channel for your dream home requirements. If you have any query, please mention it at comment section. In this video, you shall see cat's playground design ideas. For more ideas, please click I button link above the video screen. If you are new to my channel, subscribe for regular updates. It is a well-known fact that cats like to climb, run around like ninjas and nap for hours and hours. How can we provide a safe, fun, and multifunctional structure that will fulfill all of their needs and more? First, let's cover the base. For it to work, a cat tree must be high and sturdy enough for an active kitty and offer multiple features to entertain him during the day. Scratching posts, resting areas, toys, and hiding spots are a must. Why should one want a more complex cat structure? First of all, it helps reduce conflict between cats because there are many ways to get to the top of the cat tree, so it is more difficult for a dominated cat to block the way to another cat. Also, a more elaborate cat tree is a great hiding spot and allows them to scout around when they are frightened. Furthermore, wouldn't you prefer to have a beautiful and stylish structure in your living room instead of an ugly half-drawn carpet cat tree? What if you could make your cat's kingdom match your home decor, and even better, what if it could actually become part of your room design? That's where the cat comes in. At last, a cat tree you will not want to hide in the basement. You now have the chance to build a place for your cat that fits your lifestyle. More than a simple cat tree, the cat tree is revolutionary and customizable. It's the ultimate trendy house for cats. Start with a 3-cube pack and add more along the way to create a unique fortress of catitude. Why not? Because the designer of your furry friend's well-being. The cat tree you many fun and specialist approved accessories such as scratchers, beds, toys, a hammock, and much more. The cat tree designers are developing new patterns and accessories each season. Your cat's well-being is in your hands. I believe this video will help you to get better ideas to decor your cat's playground. For latest updates, subscribe to our channel, click the show links, and enjoy watching the videos.